How to lay sod yourself. The great debate on how to lay sod yourself is often more frustrating than the actual task. Anyone can learn how to lay sod yourself, as we will discuss, along with proper sod care. This article on how to lay sod yourself is based on you already knowing how it's done but lack the knowledge of how to make it grow successfully. Things you will need: sod, a flat shovel, a spade shovel, 4 small sticks, 10 to 20 feet of rope, 1 bag of sunshade mixed grass seed, topsoil, tape measure, snap knife. Learn how to lay sod yourself by following these simple instructions. Before you begin calling sod companies, you will need to measure the area where you will be laying the sod. Sod companies sell many different sizes of sod rolls, but you should stick to the standard rolls, which are 2 feet wide by 6 feet long. When you measure, keep this in mind. If the area you're replacing with new sod is 5 by 5, you will need 3 rolls of sod. Also, for the area, you should always measure out to the furthest point of where there is dead grass or none at all. The next step is locating sod companies. You should check the yellow pages under sod care or do a quick search online for sod companies in your area. Make a list of the closest ones to you and give them each a call. When you talk to them, make a list of the prices that all the sod companies offer. Another thing to consider when contacting sod companies is what kind of grass you already have. Some sod companies may ask this. If you don't know, don't worry, just get their general prices. After deciding which of the sod companies is best for you and taking your measurements of the area you'll be sodding, you can start digging out the old grass. When removing the old grass, the area should be at least 2 inches below the good grass level. This way you have space for 1 inch of topsoil and 1 inch of roots that the sod will already have. Use a flat shovel to make sure your area is perfectly squared off. Keep a sample of grass that you dug up so that you can take it with you to one of the sod companies you've chosen. While you're at the sod farm, ask one of the reps if you can buy a bag of grass seed also. If they ask what kind of seed you would like, tell them that you need a sunshade mix. You only need a 3-pound bag or 5 pounds if the area you will be sodding is extra large. Additionally, while you're at the sod company, pick up about 4 of the big bags of topsoil. If your area you will be sodding is 5 by 5, you need 4 bags. If the area is 10 by 10, you need 8 bags, and so forth. Please see the link below in the resources section for part 2 of this article on how to lay sod yourself. Tips warnings. How to lay sod yourself.